Hello, in this video I will demonstrate how to use Microsoft Excel to compute the range, variance, standard deviation, and the range rule of thumb. Now to compute the range, we're given data which represent the speeds of vehicles driving down Lake Avenue. First step is to sort the data from smallest to largest. And we can see that the largest is 95 miles per hour, smallest is 17 miles per hour. So we type an equal sign in an empty cell, select the cell with the 95 or highest value minus the cell with the lowest value, which is 17. And we end up with the range being 78. For the variance, even though there is a formula that you can use to calculate the variance, Excel has a built-in function that we can use to save some time. So in the empty cell, we click equals and we type in Vera for variance. And then we select the values or the cells that contain the values, and we end up with the variance being 546.9. The standard deviation also has a built-in function. Once again, in the cell we type equals, and the abbreviated form, I usually just call it St. Diva. It's an abbreviation of standard deviation. We type our parentheses, select the cells that contain the values, close the parentheses, hit enter. We have the standard deviation. Finally, the range rule of thumb, it's really an estimated value. It's not a metric that's commonly used, but you may encounter it in your homework. It's the range divided by 4. So let's click in the empty cell, click on the range, 78, and divide by 4. And we end up with 19.5. It's an estimate of the standard deviation. But that's the process for computing these metrics. Thanks for watching the video.